Hey guys! Hi, it's Dr. Renée Moran here, and I'm in my jammies and I have something to talk to you about. One thing is lines on our face. So as you know, when we move our muscles, we call those dynamic movements, and those lines that we see are because of a muscle contraction. Now, when we're at rest, we call those lines static lines, meaning they're there without doing anything. And a lot of the time, those lines are caused by sleep. So I can show you, as you can see, if you can take a look, check that out, right? So when we're sleeping and we're smushing our face, we get these little lines, and those can be difficult. Botox doesn't help with those kinds of lines. But we are so excited because we just ordered a bunch of Envy pillows. I'm so excited to do this. We have these for sale now. They will be up on our website tomorrow. And Envy pillow is shaped beautifully so that you don't get that crunching, right? You're not getting that squishing. And what's more exciting is they are made with copper. So copper, as you know, it kills viruses. So MRSA, the coronavirus, all of that. We have a couple available, some with silk pillowcases and some with bamboo. And another exciting thing is all of us at Dr. Renée Moran Medical Aesthetics will be wearing their copper infused masks. So these also will be available for purchase on our website, hopefully by tomorrow. So that's our big announcement for the night. I hope you all get some good sleep, and I'm so excited to not be crunching my face tonight because I always start out on my back and I end up on my stomach. And I do have some sleep lines that I have on one side of my face, and so I'm excited to, get this going for everybody. And if you have any questions, just message us.